everybody, we are on the last part of our classwork. So what we're going to do right now is we're going through the word problem portion of Master Math Mentor Section 3. So suppose that an object is traveling along a straight line according to the formula S of t equals 2 plus 3. Sorry, I did not realize it was out of focus. There we go. Where t is measured in seconds and S of t is measured in feet. So one of the first things I always want you to do is we're going to write what the units are up here. Okay, and this is going to become more and more important as we go through problems. We're going to complete the table. So if t is 0, that's 3, 5, 7, let's see, 6 and 3 is 9, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11, and then 13. Okay, so to calculate the average velocity from 0 to 4, so I'm looking specific here. I'm looking at distance divided by time. So I've traveled a total distance, not 11, okay? I'm doing 11 minus 3 over 4 minus 0, so 8 over 4, so I have 2 feet per second, okay? Remember, we have our two formulas we've been talking about, average velocity and instantaneous. And we have to remember that when we solve problems with the h for instantaneous, we're going to want to cancel it out by getting it to 0. So there's usually a cross-out portion that we can cross out the h on the bottom, and then we just substitute in. So super nice. So in the example above, S of t equals 2 plus 3, the instantaneous velocity at t equals 4 can be found. So what's going on right here? I am going to have my instantaneous velocity, which is going to be m tangent, is s of 4 plus h minus s of 4 over h. So I'm going to take 2 and then 4 plus h plus 3 minus bracket. Always put that bracket in there. So we have 11 goes in there over h, 8 plus 2h plus 3 minus 11 over h. So these guys cross out. I have 2h over h, and because it's multiplied on the top, I am allowed to cross these out, and I find it is 2 feet per second. So in this case, the average velocity is the same as the instantaneous. And if your average velocity is the same as your instantaneous, what would that be called? Well, that's called cruise control. So very cool. Probably did not think that we could use calculus for driving. And so now we are going to be doing the same process we did on the other page, but we're going to be filling it in with story type problems. So everything that we did here, we have already done on the other examples. So if you were to solve these out for practice, you'll have 3 feet per second here and here, 0 feet per second, and 2 feet per second. And notice this time they're not matching, so that's okay. Average is 9 feet per second, and then we have 4 feet per second. So you may want to give some of these a try just to make sure that you're getting the right answers. Okay, best of luck working on your instantaneous and average velocity problems.